So this is going to be a very quick video. In this video, I'll be explaining YouTube and Facebook monetization criteria, how much you can earn from YouTube and Facebook, what are the type of content that are suitable to grow fast on Facebook. So let's get started and welcome to Sriram Benur channel. While to monetize on YouTube, we need 1,000 subscribers. Now you can achieve that in last 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, it does not really matter. On Facebook, for you to monetize, you need to have 10,000 followers. Yes, you need to have 10,000 followers, but that's going to be challenging, right? Let me tell you, there are certain niche which can certainly get 10,000 followers very fast as well. Okay. Now, second most important criteria is for YouTube is achieving 4,000 watch hours in last 12 months. Okay. Only if you have achieved 4,000 watch hours in last 12 months, your channel is going to be monetized. Okay. Now coming to Facebook, you need to achieve 6 lakh minutes watched in last 60 days for your Facebook page to be monetized. Now again, if you convert that to hours, it's around 10,000 hours is what you need in last 2 months for you to monetize Facebook page. Now these are the monetization criteria for YouTube and Facebook. Okay. Again, I'm going to tell you, there are some niche on which you can certainly grow your Facebook page much faster as well. Now coming to the next most important part, how much can you earn from YouTube and Facebook? Well, both the platforms pay 55% of total revenue to content creators. Now say for example, if the platform earned around $100 from the ad revenue, they're going to share 55% to the creators. Okay. Now that's the earning criteria. Now let's come to the last most important thing. What are the type of content that are really suitable to post on Facebook so that you can grow fast? First thing is, if you are having a cooking channel, then it's best that you start your Facebook page and certainly you can grow fast and earn money from Facebook as well. Second most important type of content I would say is arts and crafts, right? Or DIY projects. Those are really good to put it on Facebook. Again, they can get faster response as well. Okay. Now, say for example, you are going to create videos on home decor or cardboard crafts or say for example, interior designing. Now those kind of topics are really suited on Facebook as well. Now this is the criteria for you to monetize, and these are the kind of content that can go really massive on Facebook. In fact, like I have my A2C Arts and Crafts Facebook page, which has more than 150,000 followers on Facebook, which has been earning great money, right? So in the same way, you can also build it. Now you might be wondering, how can we get 10,000 followers so fast? Or how can we get 6 lakh minutes viewed so fast? Let's say for example, you are creating your videos in the right way and you have been very consistent and you are having the right engagement and click-through rate even on Facebook as well. Okay. Now let's take for an example, you have created one of the video which is around 5 minutes long, which got viral and it got maybe around 5 lakh views. Say for example, if audience are watching even for 2 minutes on an average on your video, you would have got around 10 lakh minutes. Right? All it is required is for one of your video to go viral, and once you get 10 lakh 10 lakh minutes on a particular video, you would have easily achieved that followers as well, right? So that's how it is easy to grow on Facebook. One other important reason why Facebook can grow fast is because we can't share YouTube videos within YouTube platform, right? So there is no option to do something like that. But whereas when it comes to Facebook, say for example, you uploaded a video on your Facebook page, you can certainly share that on your Facebook profile, right? You can share with your friends. And since it is within the Facebook platform itself, Facebook is going to give the priority for that video and it is going to show to more and more people. That's how you can grow faster. And you can also post in relevant Facebook groups so that you attract the right kind of followers for your page. And do remember, if you violate the guidelines in sharing in some of the Facebook groups, your page may also be terminated. So again, there are a lot of things that you need to consider so that you are going to do it in the right way. See, once you start doing this, certainly you can monetize your Facebook page faster as well. And one other quick tip for you to get faster response on Facebook is, whatever videos that you are creating on YouTube, try and see if you can make it into a square video. Okay, square videos perform really well on Facebook because it gives a good appearance when somebody is watching like this, right? somebody is watching like this, because in YouTube we watch it like this. So if you can customize your video to 1:1 ratio, whatever you're going to post on YouTube, the same video can go on Facebook with 1:1 ratio, and that can perform better as well. So these are the quick things that you should be knowing, how you can monetize both the platforms and earn great money. So thanks for watching, and I believe this quick information was valuable. If you're not already subscribed, then please do subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.